be planting some Stewart Zobest okra. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And hello, welcome to Just Rachel's channel, Zone 8B9A, Louisiana. Today I'm going to be planting my okra. I'm going to be planting some Hill Country red okra. I'm gonna be planting some Stewart Zobest okra. I'm going to be planting some Silver Queen okra, and then I'm just going to put some basil in between some of the okra just because. And today is May 16th, 2026. So stay tuned and watch me how I plant my okra. That's what we're going to do. And just do it messy, but just do it. That's what we're going to be doing. So the other day, I put down this weed barrier cloth to try to keep the weeds out. And I just threw some dirt on top of it just to kind of keep it down. I think I need to put some more right here. But nonetheless, let's get to it. Okay, this ground is still wet. I think I need to turn this way because I don't want my chest out. Okay, let's see. Um, the ground is still wet, like really wet. And I'm just going to dig a hole with these scissors, maybe about 3 inches or so apart. Just cutting the cloth. And if you haven't already, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more. Make sure you put on the bell for notifications. So tell me where you're tuning in from. Drop it down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to tell me what zone you're in. Also, what are you planting this season? Have you started your garden yet? Are you a beginner gardener or you are a experienced gardener? Let me know in the comments. This is my first time planting this variety of okra, the Silver Queen okra. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it grows. So now I'm headed to the first row and I'm going to be planting the Stewart um, okra in this spot. I said I wasn't going to water it, but I felt kind of guilty. So I just watered all of them in, and then we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching, and remember, do it messy, but just do it. I'm gonna come up closer just so you can see my holes. You see, this is a hole, and then up there is a hole, over there is a hole, all the holes. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Just Rachel signing out. Have a good day.